Good afternoon. I am Gayle Brill Mittler, your mayor. This week's address will highlight some of the more encouraging aspects of our current circumstances. All week, we are immersed in discouraging news, predictions, and contingency plans. Today, my aim is to find some silver linings in the clouds, some rays of sunshine. In that spirit, let me start by thanking the 17 members of the borough's COVID-19 task force who've been working incredibly hard this past month. This group is composed of leaders of all of our first responder groups, first aid, fire, and police, and our public schools, the library, recreation, DPW, and code enforcement, our health inspector, myself, the borough administrator, and our communication staff. The group meets daily at 9 a.m. in a conference call. I am very grateful to all the members of the task force to their service. By now, news of the borough's new COPE program should have reached all our residents. COPE was set up to help residents who are most vulnerable during this state of emergency. COPE offers daily or regular well calls via phone or internet, daily delivery of food, prescriptions, or other essential items, telephone, texting, or email conversation to promote social interaction, arranging transport to medical appointments if necessary, providing support to anyone who may be quarantined. We currently have 63 volunteers in the COPE program, and they are already serving over 40 residents. This is encouraging news. If you need assistance from COPE, please email the coordinator at hpcopes@hpboro.com or call 732-819-0052. Please be sure to leave your name and phone number when you leave a message. In this time of increased stress, anxiety, and hazards, I am even more appreciative of the efforts of our police department, our fire department, and our first aid squad. I hear from their leaders daily, and I am reassured by their constancy, their reliability, and their commitment to serve the public. And I am impressed by the proactive measures they are taking to protect the public and themselves. I also offer a warm thank you to the staff of our Highland Park Community Center. They are working hard to stay in touch with the members of our community. I heard from a resident who praised the staff's efforts, and I second her comments. The community center staff is also overseeing the food pantry distribution and has made many adaptations in light of new precautions. They are also assisting with the COPE program. Thank you, Andrea, Janet, Kim, and Nicole. You are doing remarkable work, and we are all awed by your commitment. Thank you, too, to Rebecca Hirsch, our Main Street Highland Park Executive Director. She often disseminates useful information about resources for people being laid off and where business owners can go for aid and other information. Please pay attention to Main Street Highland Park's Facebook page, social media posts, and emails. One final note. It is always good to hear Highland Park being praised by others. In our meeting this morning of our COVID-19 task force, our code enforcement officer, Scott Brescher, shared that when he spoke with managers of 8 apartment complexes in town to review new safety protocols, some of those managers told him that we are far ahead of other towns on this. This is very encouraging news. So, please, stay home. Wear a mask if you must go outdoors. Keep 6 feet of distance from others. If we all follow these simple steps, we will get through this sooner. I wish everyone a safe, healthy, and relaxing weekend.